remove bracket from this expression. Minus 5axy multiplied by minus 5x minus 7y. Solution. Minus 5axy into bracket minus 5x minus 7y. Now, minus 5axy is the what? Is the multiplier. And this is a negative multiplier. So the multiplier, we multiply the first term. We have minus 5axy times minus 5x. Multiplying the first term. The multiplier will also be used to multiply this. We have minus at the middle here. So we have minus 5axy multiplying 7y. Now, multiplying out. Minus times minus, what do we have? That's plus. 5 times 5, that is what? 25. We have a here, there's no a here. So we have a. X times x, that is x squared. So we have y here, no y here, so we have y. So it means that the product of this will give us plus 25ax squared y. Now, the next thing for us to do, here, minus times minus is what? Plus. Now, 5axy times 7y. 5 times 7, what do we have? 35. We have a here, no a here, so we have a. Now, x is here, no x here. We have x. Y times y, what do we have? Y times y, we have y squared. So the answer will give us 25 when you have plus 25ax squared y. It's still the same thing as 25ax squared y. Then plus 35axy squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.